engine contains a lot of new technology. Flight tests of a new aircraft often take the aircraft to the limits and often even beyond. That's of course also true for the F-35 program. Different test missions often involve more than 50 people. Also requires a lot of admin. First of all, you need to test aircraft. You often also need to chase aircraft, and it's all controlled from a control room where a lot of the data is streamed down to the middle. Sometimes our test missions go as long as 3 to 4 hours. So on these missions, we will often also have support from air refueling aircraft. Typically start out in the morning with pre-simulation, where we try to simulate everything we have to do later. Then we have briefing, that's for the aircraft, and the actual flight. After we land again, we have debriefing, where we analyze what we saw. So from end to end, a typical test mission often lasts as long as 8 hours. The test mission is very complex, and there's so much that in addition, all the people involved have to perform flawlessly for everything to be a success.